This is USMLE QA, USMLE material presented in a question and answer format structured similar to the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book.
Question: what is the rate-determining enzyme of the metabolic process of glycogenesis? Answer: the rate-determining enzyme of the metabolic process of glycogenesis is glycogen synthase. Question: what are the positive regulators of glycogen synthase? Answer: the positive regulators of glycogen synthase are glucose 6-phosphate, insulin, and cortisol. Question: what are the negative regulators of glycogen synthase? Answer: the negative regulators of glycogen synthase are epinephrine and glucagon. Question: what is the rate-determining enzyme of the metabolic process of glycogenolysis? Answer: the rate-determining enzyme of the metabolic process of glycogenolysis is glycogen phosphorylase. Question: what are the positive regulators of glycogen phosphorylase? Answer: the positive regulators of glycogen phosphorylase are epinephrine, glucagon, and AMP. Question: what are the negative regulators of glycogen phosphorylase? Answer: the negative regulators of glycogen phosphorylase are glucose 6-phosphate, insulin, and AT. Question: what is the rate-determining enzyme of the metabolic process of HMP shunt? Answer: the rate-determining enzyme of the metabolic process of HMP shunt is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Question: what is the positive regulator of G6PD? Answer: the positive regulator of G6PD is NADP+. Question: what is the negative regulator of G6PD? Answer: the negative regulator of G6PD is NADPH. Question: can you explain the process of glycogenesis? Answer: glycogenesis is the process of converting glucose molecules into glycogen, a form of glucose storage, through the use of the enzyme glycogen synthase. Positive regulators of glycogen synthase include glucose 6-phosphate, insulin, and cortisol, while negative regulators include epinephrine and glucagon. Question: can you explain the process of glycogenolysis? Answer: glycogenolysis is the process of breaking down glycogen into glucose molecules through the use of the enzyme glycogen phosphorylase. Positive regulators of glycogen phosphorylase include epinephrine, glucagon, and AMP, while negative regulators include glucose 6-phosphate, insulin, and AT. Question: can you explain the HMP shunt process? Answer: HMP shunt, also known as the pentose phosphate pathway, is a metabolic process that generates NADPH and pentose sugars through the enzyme glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Positive regulator of G6PD is NADP+, and negative regulator of G6PD is NADPH. Question: how does glycogenesis regulate blood sugar levels? Answer: glycogenesis helps to regulate blood sugar levels by converting excess glucose molecules into glycogen, which can then be stored in the liver and muscle tissue. When blood sugar levels drop, the liver can then convert glycogen back into glucose and release it into the bloodstream. This process helps to maintain a stable blood sugar level by providing a source of glucose when needed. Question: how does glycogenolysis regulate blood sugar levels? Answer: glycogenolysis plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels by breaking down glycogen into glucose molecules, which can then be released into the bloodstream. This process is typically triggered by the hormones glucagon and epinephrine, which are released by the pancreas and adrenal glands respectively in response to low blood sugar. The glucose released from glycogenolysis helps to raise blood sugar levels, providing energy for the body's cells. Question: how does HMP shunt regulate blood sugar levels? Answer: HMP shunt, also known as the pentose phosphate pathway, plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels by generating NADPH and pentose sugars. NADPH is used in the reduction reactions in the body and helps to maintain the redox balance in the cells, thereby helping to regulate blood sugar levels.
Thank you for watching our Q&A format video. We hope this helped you learn, review, and retain knowledge needed for the USMLEs. For more information on this topic, check out the link in the description. Now, if you want to take your USMLE prep to the next level, be sure to check out all our courses, which are structured to follow along with the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book. You can find us at usmleqa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.